My friend is calling. Guys, my friend is calling. It means we should advance to another location. Hello guys, I'm here in the forest in a jungle and I feel hungry. My stomach is so empty. Now in the jungle there is only two rules. You can either starve to death or you can choose to hunt and find some food. Now I'm not gonna die. I'm gonna be going with the second option. I want to hunt for this food, for these birds that you can hear from top of the trees. Now the option of hunting is a funny one because you can hunt for the whole day and not find a single bird. Now but there is a possibility that you can also find the birds. Now I'm gonna take my chances. Now guys, I have these are what I use to hunt. Now I don't know the full name in English, but I use a stone. I place a stone here and let me show you. I place a stone here and I target the birds from top of the trees, and then the stone, just like in the Bible when David killed Goliath, that's the same thing I'm gonna be doing with these stones. I'm gonna be targeting them from down here to top of the tree and trying to find some birds to eat. And I have a matchbox. Then once I find those birds, I'm gonna be roasting them and then we can eat them together. Guys, I hope you're gonna be enjoying the video. Guys, also if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube, remember guys, we are doing everything to make sure that we bring everyone on board. So if you haven't subscribed, please remember, because I realized like 60% of people watching haven't subscribed to the YouTube. So remember to subscribe. Also remember to watch the whole video. Yeah. So now guys, these are the stones I'll be using. Now these are small ones, but I'm gonna be finding bigger ones also. But yeah. So guys, this is the first one. And then there's another one we are forming because I'm with my friend, so each of us will be hunting for their own bird. Then we shall be cooking them together. They should be able to help us, catch some of those birds. Now they're strong enough, guys. If I targeted you with this one, I think this is all right. So guys, here they are. This is what we're gonna be using. This is the final product. So what we're gonna be using to hunt our birds. Now we don't want to waste a lot of time. Let's head over immediately because I can hear a lot of birds making a lot of noise, which means there's a lot of food. Now let's head over. Guys, I thought I hit one, but it seems I haven't. So let me go to another location. Let me go to another location. Yeah. Guys, let me head over to another location because on this side the birds have like run away. And then so guys, here you don't talk. There is a way of communication that we use which is very efficient. Okay. You know, that way the birds might think it's fellow birds singing until it realizes I'm here with a huge stone on its head. So guys, I'm running out of stones, which is why I need to get more to restore my pockets. Because once we go to the deep forest, not easy to find stones. Ya, también. Ya ka también mata. Mirena. Ya también. Kira mo yun. Dadali bere. Guys, we are getting into the deep forest. We are advancing into the deep forest, but I've had some injuries. Hopefully gonna be fine. We are advancing now, guys. Getting deeper and deeper into the forest. It's not easy to catch birds because as soon as they hear you walking, they run away. So still we're gonna keep going. Still. I just lost a good bite, but yeah, let me keep going. Guys, we are now in deep of the forest. Now here, it's easier to catch them, but let's see. Now, gentlemen, we are still hunting for our birds. We haven't found one yet. I told you it's not easy. Now, there seems to be someone who had, burnt charcoal in this place, inside this forest. Yeah, tell me that. Guys, those ones have flew away. Those ones have flown away already. So let's find other ones. Let's find other ones. Stop.
Easy. Gente, no mano.
Timing ka.
Timing na ya mumo. Yeah, okay. Too far.
Kasiru mutemea. Aba kasiru mutemea. Sekuru.
Gatamir.
Nani? Gatamir.
You know, guys, once they see us, they run away. And now others are going to heights that it's almost impossible to hit them with a stone. They are so high on the trees. So guys, now we are now deep in the forest. We are trying to, see them from the other side. Guys, we are trying to find birds. We are hunting birds in this deep forest. So hopefully gonna be catching. It's been tough, but yeah, we keep pushing because So guys, I told you we were hunting for some birds, and I also told you that there was a possibility that we are not going to catch any birds. However, because I've put myself out here, I found this wild fruit. Now you see, at least my stomach has now something. my friend is calling. Guys, my friend is calling. It means we should advance to another location. You go? So guys, now I'm on top of the hill, very far, still climbing. Now this has proven us that it's not easy to hunt for anything. Now we keep going, we keep pushing, and we met more friends, guys. While we are hunting, we have just met more friends, so gonna keep going. My energy is going low, guys, also because we've been running for a long time now. And you know, when we were younger, there used to be rabbits on this hill. Let someone record me. So I was saying it's become tough for us to find or catch some birds on top of this hill, and we're very far from home now, guys. This at the highest point of the hill. Now when we were young, just like I said, we used to come to this place and hunt. This grass that you are seeing here, this grass is used to build houses. Now many of you guys have seen those houses that are built by grass, that have their roofs built of grass. Now this is the grass. It's harvested. Like now this is ready for harvesting. This will be harvested, then it's stored for a while for it to dry. Then after it dries, then it's used to make roofs for the houses. Now we'll keep going because my friend Fair. We also met some friends over here. Now we'll keep going. I'll keep going. Hopefully, because I built this today, hopefully I'm gonna be catching maybe one or two birds. But if we don't, also it's fine. Tomorrow is another day. But also if we catch like a rabbit or an antelope on top of this tree, on top of this hill, well, fine. So let's keep going. Yeah, let me keep going. I still have many stones left in my pocket. This is for me to kill some of those birds, but if I don't get, then I'm not gonna cry about it. I don't believe in crying and feeling sympathetic about things in life. I either catch the food or I don't. If I don't, then I head home and go do something else, go see if I'll eat something else. Yeah guys, let's keep going. So and also guys, now this is our village from above. This is the highest point possible that you can come on this village. Now many people, our home is this way, and also there is an urban center to this side. Now since I can see the urban center from this area, it means I'm far away from home. I'm very far from home, because on top of this hill you can see it's called Magena is the nearest urban center. It's not easy for you guys to see the urban center from this side, but I'm just saying there's an urban center on this side. Then our home is this way. This is the highest point on the hill. Then there's a valley downhill, and then the river where I always swim. So guys, yeah, let's keep going. So guys, unfortunately we haven't caught a single bird today. Yeah, we've been in this forest like 3 hours now. 3 hours, maybe even 4 hours. I feel hungry and I feel tired at the same time. Yeah, not a successful day. So now I'll head home because it's almost 3 p.m. and we came here at 11, which means this wasn't a nice day for us. So guys, if you have watched to this point, gentleman is here. If you've watched to this point, remember to like, share, subscribe, and even send us something, guys, because you've seen we haven't got any food today, so you might as well send us something if you feel like this has been a nice video. But the most important thing for us is that you guys subscribe and keep watching and keep sharing our videos. If you can do that alone, then we'll appreciate a lot. For now, bye.